For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our SkyMet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to SkyMet. This is the National Weather Bulletin forecast for the next 24 hours commencing 19th of January morning. There is no significant weather system as such affecting any part of the country. The rains in the south, they are nearly over now, and not much of activity in the hills as well as in the plains. The cold conditions, yes, they continue. Firstly, we just have a look at the satellite picture. The clouds are seen, but far to the east in the Bay of Bengal. This is what is the cloud picture, far away from the coast. There are streaks of clouds in the southern parts also along the equatorial belt, but then too far to affect weather over the coastal states of Tamil Nadu as well as Kerala. Sprinkle could be there at some places, light to very light drizzle could be there, trace of rainfall, nothing more than that. And as we see, nothing much is there over the rest of the parts of the country. Generally clear skies barring a few small patches of clouds over parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh region. We see the weather features responsible for this. The cyclonic circulation which we mentioned in the Bay of Bengal, that's in the southern parts of the Bay of Bengal, southwest of Sri Lanka and adjoining region. This circulation is marked, and the trough also we see from this system that is extending westward across the southern tip of our country and then into Lakshadweep area and further westward. But then no significant weather expected over our region with respect to this. Just possibly some trace of rainfall could be there over extreme southern coastal parts of Tamil Nadu, and that's it. Nothing significant over other parts, be it Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana and even Maharashtra. The central parts having an anticyclonic circulation which is keeping the weather conditions fair and dry over all these parts. No significant fog also. They do not have, even over Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra region. The temperatures are slightly higher over parts of Madhya Maharashtra. Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur, Sholapur have 5 to 7 degrees above the normal temperatures. They will drop a little by about 2-3 degrees or so. As I said, northern parts, no significant system is there. Cold wave conditions, cold day conditions especially, they have been over parts of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh region. Amritsar, Jalandhar, Firozpur, Rohtak, Sirsa, Delhi, Aligarh, Agra, even Meerut, they have the cold day conditions wherein the temperatures is less than 16 degree, about 4 to 6 degrees below the normal, and these are the conditions which are likely to abate in the next 24 hours or so. The winds are going to pick up over and around Delhi area in the next 24 hours. Windy conditions will be there over along the foothills and over Delhi NCR region, which is going to increase the chill factor as such. So the fog condition may not be there because any excess winds will restrain the formation of the fog as such. That means the day temperature possibly could take a little rise, but then the wind factor will increase the chill in the air, particularly in the early morning hours and in the night hours. Over the eastern parts, there is a cyclonic circulation that's marked over Bangladesh and adjoining region, and convergence of winds is causing little amount of activity that's covering parts of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and parts of Nagaland. This is a scattered rain, thundershower activity expected. Possibly this will last for about another 2 days also, but not very inclement conditions as such, light to moderate rain and thundershower. That's the weather brief from SkyMet. Keep watching for latest and further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading SkyMet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.